Hey everybody, it's time for some more new stuff. Broke down and finally ordered one of these off of Amazon that I've been looking at for a long time. Oops. Oh well. Been really wanting one, and now I finally have one. Not just any American lock. One of these gold US stamped American locks. The restricted keys. Oh boy. Okay. We don't need those. Don't even want to look at those, because I want to see if I can get into it. This is going to need to go up. There we go. Alright. That keyway is going to be a bit of a problem. Was not expecting that to be that bad. But, there we go. That's better. I don't even know where to begin with it, really. No, it's going to have to be a 40. The 15 thousandths has enough room to get in there, so this might just work. Or this is going to be an epic failure. I was not expecting such a nasty keyway on this. This may not be blind picking material. This might be much heavily practiced material. I don't know if this is a 6-pin core or a 5-pin core, but I cannot find a binder anywhere. feel like I'm bending this pick. Okay. That shouldn't have been that easy. All right. Well, we blind picked it. Wasn't expecting that. I might have to say sheer luck for part of it. There's my screwdriver. I'd probably have some horrible key bitting. Are you freaking kidding me? So these American US stamped padlock, oh, that pisses me off. They have these cheap pieces of crap copper cores that are in master locks. Oh my, I can't even put a 6th pin in here. I got nothing. They're just cheap pieces of crap. Oh, dang it. Forgot about that. Okay. Well, that doesn't matter too much. Got a key, so. Well, it will matter. There it is. Okay. Wow. This is just unbelievable. All standard pins. Oh, good grief. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's interesting though. So standard core, nothing in that. Standard Bible, nothing in there. All standard pins, with the exception of number 2, that looks like one of those ASA barrel pins. So that's the only security that's even in this thing. And to make matters worse, there's nothing in the core for that to catch up on. And the box calls this bump stop. Oh, it's just a sticker. Okay. Wow. Bump stop. This is their bump stop. Good grief. What a joke. I think what I might have to do, if this will accept it, is put a nicer 6-pin core out of one of these other ones. Put that in there. This little cheap piece of shit 5-pin core, pardon my French there, sorry. Oh, come on, really? Oh, that's really disappointing. I'm sorry, but that is... These 5200 government series ones are junk. So, sorry for the disappointment, guys, but that's all I got today. So, I wish it could have been a better story. I was not expecting this disappointment. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and we'll get more videos out to you soon.